Hey there. This week we're trying a slightly different format. I'm going to give you a little introduction video, which is the one you're watching, and then we're going to go on to a few different videos that actually, for the first time, won't have my face in the corner. It's just a different piece of software that I'm trying out. The other one was starting to get a little funky, a little buggy. The first video you should watch is Textual Basics, and that'll explain just the very rudimentary level text tool use. Then use adding custom fonts, because that'll teach you how to add fonts from the internet that Photoshop doesn't have as a default. And then watch the last video, advanced text tool. So in that order, basic text tool, adding custom fonts, advanced text tool. And at the end of advanced text tool, I describe your weekly exercise. Okay, let me know if you have any questions, and I will be around. Hope you have a great week.